I do love plant sciences a lot. I love being able to connect to the natural world. I think a lot of people become disconnected from the natural world, especially because we're living in a technological age where everything's at the touch of our fingertips. So I think it's really important for people to return to their roots without sounding punny, but be able to, again, learn where their things are coming from, to be able to experience the joy and excitement from seeing something grow, and then be able to teach other people.
So we study plants. We study how to grow them. We study how they grow. We study how to use them, and not just for food uses, for ornamental uses, for uses in pharmaceuticals, for uses in any way that plants can be used. We look at how to do that in our major.
In the past about 10 years, the agricultural industry has been seeing a lot of change because people are realizing that the industrial methods that we use to supply most of our food in America, they're not sustainable and they're also not profitable in the long term. So a lot of companies are going to have to look and reflect on the work they're doing, and they're going to have to improvise, and they're going to have to innovate to be more resourceful and to be more sustainable.
Yeah, my ag journey prepared me for entrepreneurship, I think, in a few ways. I think first and foremost, I really saw the vision for the future of agriculture, and it was really due to the fact that I had all of these classes and options available to me to learn about such a wide variety of things that I never would have envisioned. And as I got into these things, I really found that the staff at the College of Ag was particularly engaged in what I was working on, whether that was in a research project in the lab or whether it was pursuing an entrepreneurial venture. I was very close to my advisor. My advisor in the plant science program took me under my wing when I came in and said, I might want to do this or I might want to do that.
Students here have the opportunity to be a part of a community that includes them, but it also includes the faculty. And so when we are in classes together, it feels very much like an individual experience, because we try to get to know everybody and we want everybody to feel like they've made the right decision. We want to make sure that you feel welcome within the department, within your classes, and that you feel like you can talk not only to the other students in the class, but you also have a resource in the teaching assistant and also in whoever's teaching that class.
I want to be a part of the group of people and a group of agriculturalists that helps to make the food systems and agricultural systems in America more sustainable and more productive, as well as more healthy for everybody.